ladies and gentlemen, Misambula Binak. Today, the Ministry of Immigration celebrates a milestone of capacity building and operational knowledge transfer for our immigration colleagues from New Zealand and Australia. The 5 weeks induction training program marks a significant transition of knowledge and capacity building to our Fiji immigration staff. It sets a solid foundation on border security pathway towards the future and provide a guardrail on standards and best practices that New Zealand and Australia long been adopting in the protection of their borders. Today also mark a successful completion of our first ever structured training for our new immigration officers. Over this period, course participants have completed 30 modules covering the core of border management, immigration laws, and operational procedures. The delivery of this program is truly a milestone achievement for the Fiji immigration. It reflects the collective commitment and dovetail engagement within our regional border agencies to stay relevant and remain capable of securing the borders. It reinforces our security enforcement pillars on professionalism, capabilities, and discipline, supported by our valued partnership, the Australian and the New Zealand government. To course participant, today is not the end, but is the beginning. This is the moment you step forward and as an entrusted guardian of Fiji's border. You may carry a renewed mindset, sharpened skill set, and a clear sense of your duty. Every decision you make at the front matters. It protects our people, our sovereignty, and our future. As immigration officers, you are more than an official. You are the guardian of national security on border defense. You are entrusted with upholding border enforcement with integrity, vigilance, and professionalism. Stand firm in your responsibilities. Act with confidence, serve with purpose, and always work within the ambient of the law. Be firm, be just, and transparent, and be accountable. This is your calling. Own it, deliver it, lead with it. As you return to your duties, management have high expectations from you all. A clear demonstration on understanding of border security and enforcement, supported by sound knowledge of our laws, processes, and procedures. Compliance with policies and SOPs is not an option. It is mandatory. You are expected to carry a positive attitude to serve, grounded in professionalism, humility, and respect. Communicate clearly, work as a team, respect your boundaries. Let's go away from the mindset of entitlement and privileges. Your role demands discipline, accountability, and integrity. Your work must reflect accuracy and consistency, protect information, follow proper channels, escalate issues when required. Be responsive and take ownership of your role. Be proactive, decisive, and act clearly. Your workplace expects to see a progressive change when you return to your workplaces. Be a better team member, improve service delivery, and should result in a very positive response from the public. Learning does not stop here. Continue to build your capacity, share your knowledge, and be open to innovation and improvement. I wish to acknowledge and thank our senior executive stakeholders and partner agencies for your presence today. Your collaboration strengthens our collective effort in securing Fiji's border. In the last few days, as published on the Fiji Times, dated 21st May, it shows, it demands our collective effort. Pacific nations have launched an unprecedented regional push against organized crimes. Discussion indicated that drugs, trafficking, money laundering, and cyber crimes are outpacing national borders, an overwhelming, isolated policing effort. Based on that news article on borders, immigration is mandated to facilitate passenger clearing on both genuine and non-genuine travelers. With a renewed mindset and embedded skill set from the course that you just completed today, you are now a force multiplier that will improve immigration work at the border. To our facilitators, thank you for sharing your knowledge, experiences, and skills. Your contribution have shaped these officers today. To our officers who have just successfully completed the course requirement, thank you for your commitment and resilience. You were selected because we saw the potential in you. We now expect your return to your sections will have a greater impact on a better work culture and standard that you're going to live by. Be a resourceful source of strength and inspiration to your colleague. We also acknowledge the strong support of our key partners, the Australian Department of Home Affairs and the Immigration New Zealand, and the continued cooperation under the Huvale Partnership and the Hekele Matangi Arrangement. These partnerships are critical in strengthening our border security, regional collaboration, and shared resilience. We are truly grateful for your ongoing support, guidance, and commitment. With those few remarks, I wish you all a safe travel back to your respective offices. Go back prepared, go back confident, go back to serve.